Hey, it's Ava Maybee, and I'm a musician, and I'm going to be talking about the yellow eye trend. And yellow is my favorite color, so I'm very excited. So let's get into it. I've already applied my base, so let's get into the good stuff, which is my eyes. So I'm going to start with the Painterly paint pot, just to get a good base. I just apply this all over the base of my eyes, and I feel like it really makes the color pop, especially when you just have like a clean canvas. So that's done. For shadow, I'm going to go into this eyeshadow called Memories of Space, and it's just this really fun like primary yellow color. I'm gonna go in and sort of wash this all over my lid. And I'm using the MAC 224S blending brush. So I'm going to deepen the crease with this pigment in the color Primary Yellow. And I'm not sure if this is how you do it, but this is how I like to do it. But there's no real way to do makeup, because makeup's just all a part of expression, and you can do it however you want. So I'm gonna do it my way. So I just pop it off, and I sort of take it off the cap and douse my brush in it, and I'll just put it in the crease just to give some dimension. Okay, very subtle. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pigment color, and this is in Rocket Yellow, and this is like a neon yellow, and I'm gonna sort of wash this up to my eyebrows. Okay. Yeah, that's so fun. Okay. So now I really want to use this paint stick in Primary Yellow. I've never worked with paint sticks before, but I kind of like to sort of dabbing it along here, almost like connecting it like blush. Oh my gosh, these blend out like a dream. Very cool. And like, I wear crazy makeup, so I would wear this out to like the grocery store, but you know, it's definitely not for everyone, but I love it. So now I'm gonna use the Primary Yellow Chromaline, and sort of do a wing here and then a fox eye in the corner. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna use Born to Beam paint pot, and I'm gonna put it on just this sort of inner corner. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes. And I put on my new favorite mascara. I mean, the packaging is so cool. And this is called In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. Now, I just set it with the Max Fix Plus. Here is my final look. It's just sort of a wash of yellow with some sparkles, a little gel liner, and thank you so much for watching. And my Instagram handle is at Ava Maybee with 2 E's. If you want to check me out or my music out. And I want to give a big thank you to Mac. And I'm gonna go walk around with this makeup on because I'm kind of obsessed. But okay, bye.